Hola Houston, hoy estamos en Rice Military transformando esta impresionante sala de estar con un moderno conjunto de registro de gas que une toda la habitación. No se trata solo de la función, se trata de elevar la estética. Estamos sustituyendo una instalación anticuada por una chimenea elegante y minimalista que combina con el diseño limpio de la casa.
We've cleaned out the existing unit in the old Logset. We have a completely clean slate to now begin installing our new one. So as you can see in here, this is our main burner. You have our gas valve and our brain module as well as our pilot assembly. This is called rock wool. Gives that beautiful aesthetic to your fireplace unit, your log unit. That gives it that emberly glow at the base. So it looks ugly right now, it looks out of place. So they sit on the floor of the fireplace. They serve no purpose. They're just kind of aesthetic. So they hide this ugly base and they give it kind of a natural look. What we're doing is replacing the logs. With every log set, you have the specific logs. Have the instruction manual which shows you how to place them properly. There is no functionality with the logs, but they also don't impede the functionality. So it's important for proper placement. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if after everything we've done and putting everything together, it should be as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Desde la simétrica de los troncos de cerámica hasta la llama suave y controlada. Todo está diseñado para ofrecer belleza, calidez y confort. Sin cenizas ni complicaciones. Solo un aspecto atemporal que funciona todo el año.